Welcome to Donegal. Donegal is a game for 2, 3, 4 players with a duration of 30 minutes for players aged 8 and over. Donegal is a small Irish village on the banks of the Atlantic that lives on fishing and tourism. In Donegal, players impersonate producers running a small brewery. Their goal is to sell their production to the village pubs. As components, we have 7 cup holders, 32 barrels tokens, 8 player tokens, and 1 truck token. Donegal is played in turns. First player starts, then the game follows a clockwise direction. Third player must move the truck, choosing one of the 2 values at their disposal, placing one of their barrels on the pub where the truck ends their race. Truck token moves always in clockwise direction. Let's make an example. I am the black player. I have the possibility to choose 1 or 3. I choose 3, so I move 1, 2, 3, and I place my barrel in the leftmost position in the pub. Remember to flip the player token once used. When a player places a barrel in the last free position of the pub, scoring phase for that pub is activated. Each player scores 1 point for each barrel of their own color placed on the pub, plus the points given eventually by the pub bonus. Pub bonuses are indicated on the block board close to the pub door. Let's see an example. As black player, I place a barrel here and I score 2 points plus 1 point for the bonus. Yellow player scores 1 point and blue player scores 1 point. Once players have applied the effects of the pub scoring, they return back the barrels placed on the pub and they flip the cup holder. Cup holders with the pubs are double-sided. The characteristics of the sides are different. The Donegal Beer Festival cup holder works differently from the pubs. When players place their second barrel on it, they score 2 points for each beer sign of their brand shown in the pubs. Beer signs are close to the door pub, between the door pub and the blackboard. The Donegal supermarket works in the same way as the Donegal Beer Festival, with the only difference that players score 1 point for each pub with folk inside. In the center there is the scoring cup holder. The player who reaches with their barrel 25 points or more is the winner. And that's Donegal.